I just came here from Platja de les Muscleres, and now we are going to on direction San Martin d'Empúries. Here you see the Roman ruins. In summer it's June, it's beach time, it's warm. Fortunately we have a lot of wind, and I'm going to go with you on the tour. Next part of the walking tour at the beaches, La Escala, direction San Martin d'Empúries. Join with me. Bom dia. You see the beaches, and on the other side you have the Roman ruins, which is very, very beautiful as well. So you have culture, you have beach, you have everything what you want here. Come to La Escala, you will enjoy it. Et on y va. Vous avez vu, il y a les plages, il y a la culture, il y a les ruines romaines juste à côté. Donc il y a tant de trucs à faire ici, à la Costa Brava. Mais ici, il y a la culture, les plages. Et so you see there's different stuff to do. There's culture, you have the Roman ruins, you have the beach. And we go on and you will see more beaches. Close by, culture, beaches, everything is there. What your heart wants here at the Costa Brava. You have the cool and fresh wind, it's a tramontana. I will go down to the beach bar now and have a little drink. I will check this beach bar out. I think that could be something for me to have a drink. You see different beaches, and all again there is the Roman part. Over there you see there is beach, culture close to each other, very close to each other. Everything what your heart wants is here. You have the Roman ruins, there's the Roman part, and I will have now, I think I will have like an espresso here now in this beautiful tapas bar. Les Muscleres Grand, no? That's where I'm going to now to have a coffee and an espresso. So I see you later. Enjoy, have a beautiful day, and subscribe to the channel.